Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations Crafty Flosstube. My name is Tia. Today we are doing our end of month Flosstube wrap up and I'll show you what I've been working on. So in the month of January, in my last Flosstube, I drew a number which was Emerald City, and that's what I was going to work on for the month of January. So let me show you where I got up to. So this is the pattern. So it's Emerald City by Owl Forest Embroidery. So it's a free pattern on their website, and I had got up to the lion. So let me just take it out of the key snap and I can show you. Oh, that's a needle here, be careful. Oh, it's gone through the fabric. Okay. We will fix that in a minute. Okay, whoops. Now I've twisted it all the way around. There we go. And I've got, let's zoom you down. So in the last video I had done the lion, and so now I've done that little motif and the bricks and the flower bed, and I've done some of the bricks there, and I think I did that brick there. And because I was swapping to 1/1, which is much better. I'm much happier with that than the 2, because the 2 strands were just too, I felt they were too bulky. So yeah, that's all finished now. We'll take that out of there. Well, that's finished for January. I don't want to get that one mixed up, so I'll just put that over there. Hang on a sec. Put that in there. Right, so this will now go away, and we will draw next month's. Roll that up, and then that can go back into there, and that's done. So I'll take you back out again. And I did a total of, oh, where did I write that down? Oh, hang on, I didn't write it down. Give me a second. In January I did 478 stitches on Emerald City. Hold on, just let me. 478. Right. Now, that's not going to stay there. Let's draw that one away. What's it going to be? This is going to be the February project, and it is going to be Spring by the Crochet collection. So let me grab that, which is this one. Needles everywhere. Which way does it go? That way. So it'll be good to get this one done. So that's Spring by the Crochet collection. So that's what will be being worked on in February. So let's put that back in there. That can go back in there for the time being. Okay, put that over there. Right, that can go away now. And then I worked on my Autumn Days ornaments, which was the stitch along that I was doing with the back quarter shop, which is these ones, and I'd done 5 already. I was way behind, but I have now finished. Sorry it's not ironed, but they're all done. So not fully finished yet, but that's on my to-do list. So yay. So let's zoom you down again. Wrong way. Right, so there's the pumpkin. I love fall. Of course we don't say fall here in the southern hemisphere. Prickly pine cone. So I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've done all of those. There's the apple basket, the apple pie, autumn leaves, autumn colours, pumpkin pie, prickly pine cone. Now that pine cone gave me so much grief. It's not symmetrical, so it sits funny, and but just doing those lines, oh boy. That one, and then the autumn latte. So that is all finished. Yay. And I did a total of, hang on, I don't know, I didn't add those up. 2,280 take away 478, whatever that is. So that will now be fully finished at some point, and I've got a cool idea for finishing those. Right, let's go back our wrong way again. So those were the 2 projects that I worked on in January. Emerald City and my ornaments. I didn't do any on my Jamie, Claire and Frank. I thought I may get a bit of time last night, but I put Spencer to bed and then ended up asleep too. So my stitching last night didn't happen. But that's okay. Right, the other thing I wanted to share with you was, hold on, in February I will be starting Millie's Dresses quilt. It's a quilt along with the Fat Quarter Shop, so they kindly sent me everything I needed, and they sent me the fabric bundle. They'd run out of the backing kits, but just said I could choose something else, so I did. But all my fabrics are washed and starched and ready to be cut, and then we will be doing, it runs for 6 months, so you do 1 row a month, so that's 4 months, and then the borders is 5, and then the 6th month is the assembly. So I'm really excited about starting this. So yeah, when they put out an expression of interest in our chat forum, where all of the sponsored stitches are, and asked if anybody was interested in, I think there's about, I don't know, maybe 8 different patterns, and yeah, so I liked this one, and I think there's like 9 or 10 of us that are making this one in the group. So that's all ready to go, but apart from that there's nothing else happening. I'm looking forward to starting my spring for February, but that's about it. So I hope you enjoyed that floss tube, and I will see you all again next month. Thanks for watching. Bye.